Hello, my name is Destiny Helper. I have information that can change your life for better.
Wow, what can it be?
RAGP, recharge and get paid.
How?
Do you know that you can make cool money with your mobile phone?
How?
Do you also know that you can make money while sleeping?
How?
Come with me, let me tell you how RAGP works. Do you know there are 22 ways you can make money in recharge and get paid?
Mr. Destiny Helper, please tell me how I can make money in recharge and get paid.
Number 1, make 20% from your registration fee. 2, make 20% from membership upgrade. 3, make 20% advertisement bonus from all direct registrations. 4, make 2% commission from every airtime